Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to download Instagram photos on iPhone and Android. So we have this photo right here. All you have to do is tap the three dots in the top right corner and then press this right here, the send button. Then you're going to press copy link. I'm not going to press it right now because there's private information right there. And then basically you go to snapinsta.app. So let's just reload it. There's a lot of ads. So you paste the URL that you just copied and press download. So you'll just have to wait and there's gonna be a lot of ads. Just close those and then just download the photo right here and then save it right here. So it's gonna be saved to my files instantly. So there you go guys. That is how you download Instagram photos on iPhone and Android. It works the same way as Android does. I'm just using an iPhone right now. So don't be afraid to use this. And it's just the same thing when it comes to downloading videos. You just place the actual URL right here. You'll be also able to download videos.